Right, I was looking for a way to keep my valuables protected from fire, and I found out about these bags that are made out of silicone and fiberglass, and I never knew about these until recently. So I bought this one based on reviews and everything. This one can go to like, I think 4,200 degrees. So we've got a internal section, looks kind of like one of those flexible lunch boxes. It just feels like vinyl. And then we can zip it here with this nice zipper. I think these are waterproof as well. So now we just put $1,000 in here, and I'm going to go ahead and use this camping torch to just torch the side here. We've got this thermal camera, and you can see just how much heat we're bringing to the mix here. It's not real hot around it. It's super hot there in the center where you can see with the thermal. And now if we open this up, this is very compact. It's a little warm in there, but it's not hot at all. And that $1,000 is just fine. How cool is that? This thing is really neat, and for protecting valuables from heat, this is the way to go. Hope this helps. Pretty neat.